Are you drowning in fragmented HR data? You're not alone. Many organizations face this crisis, hindering effective decision-making. By 2026, HR must evolve. We'll explore how people analytics can guide organizations toward becoming data-driven. Fragmented data comes from 10 to 15 disparate systems. These include human capital management and applicant tracking systems. This creates a manual, error-prone process that squanders HR teams' time, leaving little room for insightful analysis. Enter the HR Data Warehouse. This foundational tool enables organizations to establish a single source of truth. Imagine having reliable data that transforms HR from a service provider into a strategic advisor. This is crucial for your 2026 people strategy. Now let's dive into the 3 architectural models for HR data warehousing. First, we have the DIY data warehouse. This model allows organizations to build their custom data infrastructure. It's perfect for unique requirements, but brings risk. The costs of maintaining this system can soar, while crucial knowledge may get lost if key contributors leave. Next, we move to the generic cloud data warehouse. Systems like Snowflake and Redshift offer quick setup, but lack specialized HR schemas. You must manually build every metric, which can lead to issues like budget overruns, security gaps, and challenging learning curves for users. Finally, there's the purpose-built HR data warehouse. These systems, such as MIHCM or Visio, are tailored for people data. They acknowledge the employee journey from application to termination. This model allows for AI-powered insights, ensuring transparency and bias-free decisions. Here's a strategic comparison of all 3 models. The DIY approach has high implementation speed but extreme maintenance needs. The generic cloud is fast but lacks security, granularity. The purpose-built warehouse offers the best of both worlds with minimal maintenance. Now, let's explore how a well-structured data warehouse impacts decision-making. Think of reporting as your car dashboard, showing key metrics. Analytics, on the other hand, is the investigation behind any warning lights. This shift allows HR to derive significant insights. For instance, the turnover rate formula is crucial for tracking employee attrition. With a proper warehouse, HR can reduce high-performer turnover, link engagement to productivity, forecast staffing needs, and map talent strategies. Let's summarize the key points. Fragmented data hampers HR's potential. The HR data warehouse is essential for strategic decision-making. Choose the model that suits your organizational needs: DIY, generic cloud, or purpose-built. Each has unique benefits and challenges. Now, what's your next step? Start with our 30, 60, 90-day roadmap. First, audit existing data and identify crucial questions. Next, clean and standardize your data. Finally, launch dashboards and establish governance. Transform your HR analytics today. Put the right data strategies into action.